Come on. Something is smelling it and tasting it. Applesauce. Is it sweetened? Original. So I guess it's sweetened. Okay.
What's that? Can you hang up, show up that seasoning there that we use first?
Oh, this is frig. That's good.
It's by Maritime Madness. It's out in PEI.
Here, have a taste. What do you think? Ooh, that's spicy. Where did we purchase this quality piece of cow from?
Fresh Mart in Stratfordville, Ontario.
What a bunch of friendly people. I would recommend that. Stratfordville, Ontario, to anyone. You want to meet a bunch of friendly people. Can't throw a tender on it. Here's your fork, JD. Okay. That's interesting.
Put that away for later.
Oh, you've got to. Okay, what are we going to have with it? Giant. Here, is that video?
Mm-hmm.
You can watch me flip the steak. Oh, man. What's that say? It's falling apart. Oh, yeah. You want to taste it for you, Jaden? Oh, you're in for a treat. Whenever the rice is done and you transfer the water over the corn, potatoes are boiling, steaks, anytime we want it, it's ready. Giant. Okay, now we get that. You're fucking warm already.
Got any bites?
Yeah, I got just little shrimpy fish.
Catching shrimp today.
Oh yeah, she's melting.
We're just heating up our pan.
A grease pan.
Grease pan. This is our last night, so we're just heating it up, melting the grease off, running her in the fire, so then we can pack up the dirty dishes and head out tomorrow.
Put our little handle up. Like, why not? Everybody's gonna make money.
Yeah.
You want to flip that bun over when you're done?
Yep.
pass that up, man. And it was half price. I even got a better deal. Get some more buns down here.